Hello everyone, this is Noelle Martin with Quick Creations. We got a couple of shipments in over the past couple days, and so I wanted to show you what we got. We got the Greeting Farm, Saturated Canary, Little Darling rubber stamps, and the Creative Basics, and new CC designs. So I will show you what we got. Starting with CC Designs, we restocked more of the Pastel My Belle paper pad. It's a 6x6. And then we got their new release paper pad as well. It's the Rainbows paper pad. And let's see if I can get these apart. And this is what it looks like. And then these dies aside for a second. And this is one of the new release clear stamps from CC Designs. This one comes with sentiments, so it's a little bit more expensive, but it's super cute. And then, let's see, they came out with a new characters, the Pinkies. This is cupcakes and balloons. And then this bigger set is from Roberto's Rascals. This one is called Celebrate. It's got some super cute mice in there. And then there's another new bigger set, and this one is called Surprise. And then also some smaller Roberto's Rascals. This one is Cake Nancy. And this one is called My Cupcake. And then there's also a sentiment set. This is called Birthday Wishes Sentiments. And I believe that is all from the new release. This one is from the March release. This is the Because set from the Meeples. And then I restocked a bunch of the Polycraft from CC Designs. This one is Princess. And these ones are in rubber. It's before they went clear. And then this one is Dottie. This one is Grant. This one is Tulip. This one is Rain. This one is Pixie. And then that's it for the CC Designs stamps. We got also some dies from CC Designs that I'll show you. This one is not a new release, but it's a new addition to our shop. This one is the Make a Tag number 6 die. And then this one is a new release. This is the Make a Card number 14. And then also, this is Make a Banner. And then the last die, I restocked the mushroom border die. And then I have a couple from the grading farm. I restocked Cheeky Geeky, and she comes in rubber. And then the other thing I got was the Wood Friends coordinating dies. We already have the stamp set in stock, so here are the dies to go with it. And then from Saturated Canary, we got a couple new additions. This one is called Somebody Loves You. And then this one is called Mama's Boy. And then we got one from the Little Darlings Dollhouse line. This one is called Flyby. And then we got one of their die sets called the Gilded Doily die. It's very delicate and pretty. And then we got in the Creative Basics line that was designed by Rhea Wiegand. And these are the Creative Basics Background Border Builders 1. The 6-piece die set. And then we got another set that is called Cutting Edge Borders 1. And this is a 3-piece die set. And that is it for this shipment. I hope you see some stuff you like and stop by the shop and check it out. Everything's already loaded into the shop, so it's all ready for you to go purchase if you see something you like. And we are currently having a spring, up into spring sale. If you enter code SPRING16, it will take 10% off of your order of $25 or more. So I hope you see some stuff you like and come by the shop and check it out. Thanks for watching.